Hi, it's Tim. Hey, we'll do the software demonstration first, then we'll go through a code walkthrough. So we hit start here, and it gives us an example of what some of the what the data looks like. But it just runs through and it makes the chart. And as we look at this chart, we see that the age at close is in the blue color. So we close one within 37 days here, and then we close one here, and then close one at 83. But basically, what you'll see here is if the when you close one that's above average age, the age will come down. Um, unless you create a new one, and then create a couple new ones, those days will add up as well. But if you go a couple of months without closing any, you can see that this one increases by 30 days, and this one increases by 31 days because they were unclosed in those 2 months. So if you close one that's very old, your average age will come down a lot. You see here the closest one, there was 268 days of age, so it came down from 177 to 112. So that's my chart. I can kind of see what is going on at a high level in that process. If we kill that, then we have this other chart, and it shows the aging by buckets. So we've got none in 0 to 30 days. We've got 2 here, 31 to 60, 6 here, 61 to 90, 1 here at 91 to 120, and then the remainder at over 120 days. And then our legend here shows who they were assigned to. So that's what I did for the data analysis, and of course we could save those figures out and have one of those for each month as we go to show how the process is going. So that was what I've done for my data analysis. So for the code walkthrough, the first function I have here gets the data by year, and so I'll pass a year to it in the function. So at this right here, I'm just in the data, and I say, hey, this is the year I want to get. So I'll go to that function, grab that data, and it returns it. And then I can use in these other functions here. We got function here. Let's see here. If I hover on that, let's see here. So there's my notes there. Returns chart of open, close, corrective action, aging for a given year. I click on this one here and hover. That's a stack bar chart for aging bucket. So we can go to each of those. The aging analysis. Go to that. Again, we pass in the data. We pass in the year we want to look at, and it grabs the data frame with these columns. Just a little bit of data conversion here to get the data in the format we need to do. And then for every month in the year, it goes through and we filter the monthly data using these formula here. And so we want our corrected date to be less than or equal to the end date, and the close date to be greater than the end date. So if something was closed in June, that was open in January, but you're evaluating February, then it will get that record even though it's closed. So that's what that is. Or we can have a closed equals no. So that grabs everything that's a closed equals no, and then likewise this other filter here. And so we go through those, and we got 2 groups: a closed group and an open group. We average their age, and then plot results using the matplotlib library. Give it a figure size, bar width, with the range of months. There's some titles here at the bars, bar 2, and we get the X and the Y values and plot those, and then here's just some chart titles. So that's what we do there. And this one is similar. We clean up do some data formatting here. We get the age by subtracting dates. We create the groups that it'll be in, and some labels. We'll assign the count, plot those, and labels right here, and then we show that plot. And then this one here you'd use to save that figure to your computer, but I wasn't doing that right now. So that's my code walkthrough.